Hello everyone, I am Adarsh, lecturer in Vidyashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Today's topic is called cash flow statement. Normally we call cash as a king of business. Without cash, we cannot run any business. So, we will discuss about what is cash flow statement, what is the marks weightage in your examination, as well as what kind of problems you will get in your examination. In your examination, this topic will come for 9 marks. The total weightage of this particular chapter is 9. In this, you will get 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 1 and 6 marks 1 question. 1 and 2 marks which are completely theory oriented, and your 6 marks will be problem oriented. So we will discuss everything in today's session. Now, before we go to your problems or before we go for definition, first we will understand what is cash flow statement. If you understand cash flow statement, it will be easy for you to go further. Now, cash flow statement. These are 3 different words. First one will be cash and flow and statement. What do you mean by cash? What do you mean by flow and what is statement? Now, cash. So, in this topic, cash, it is nothing but, it is not only your money. It should be equivalent to money also. The thing is, cash is cash and cash equivalent. Cash, it is nothing but cash and cash equivalent. So we know what is cash, but what is cash equivalent? Normally, if you go to any shop, if you don't have money or currency, what you will do? You will go with debit card, credit card. Nowadays we use Google Pay or else Phone Pay. That is nothing but cash equivalent. Or else we can go with check. The checkbook also called as cash equivalent. Or else your investment. You can sell your investment within a fraction of second. Why? Because everything is now online. If you want to sell your shares within fraction of second, you can sell or you can buy your securities or shares. So these things we call it as cash or cash equivalent. Means it can be currency or it can be equivalent to your currency or money. So first thing is what? Cash. What is cash? Cash means cash or cash equivalent for the purpose of cash flow statement. Second concept, flow. What is flow? Very simple. This is your cash. There can be 2 kinds of flows. One will be inflow and another will be outflow. What is inflow and what is outflow? If you are receiving cash, that will be inflow. If you are paying cash, that will be outflow. So this we call it as flow. You are collecting and paying. So that is nothing but your flow. Last concept will be statement. Statement, it is nothing but documents. Whatever cash you are collecting or paying should be documented properly. That is called as statement. Hope you understood. What is cash flow statement? Cash means what? Cash, money or money equivalent. Flow means what? Inflow as well as outflow. Statement means what? It is a document. Whatever your money you are collecting or paying should be documented in a systematic manner, in a systematic way, that we call it as statement. This is all about your cash flow statement. Hope you understood. Meaning of cash flow statement. So what is the meaning of cash flow statement? As I told you, you will get this topic for 1 mark theory or 2 mark theory. Your 1 mark theory will be what is cash flow statement. Now, a cash flow statement is a regular financial statement telling you how much cash you have on hand for a specific period. Means it will give you clear idea or clear information about how much cash you have at present and where you have invested. All the details will be given by your cash flow statement. What is the difference between cash flow statement as well as normal financial statement? What are the financial statement? Your balance sheet, P&L, we call it as financial statement. What are the difference between cash flow as well as your financial statement? The difference is, while income statement means your financial statements are excellent for showing you how much money you have spent and earned. They don't necessarily tell you how much cash you have on hand for a specific period. This is very important. How much cash you have on hand for a specific period. This information can only given by cash flow statement. Clear? Yes. So your cash flow statement, it is completely related to your cash. In this, why do you need cash flow statement? We understood what is cash flow statement and we also got to know what is the meaning of cash flow. Now, why we need this cash flow? For 3 reasons we need this cash flow. Which are those 3? First one, they show you liquidity. Liquidity means what? Any goods or transaction, any goods or stock which are converted to cash. For example, you have finished goods. What you have? Finished goods. You are selling this finished goods for rupees 10,000. How much? For how much you are selling? 10,000. Now, after selling, your goods converted to what? Cash. Your goods. Now you don't have goods at your factory. Now instead of goods, what you have? Cash. Your goods converted to what? Cash. That is called as liquidity. Liquidity means any goods or stocks convert to cash, we call it as liquidity. Now second one, they show you changes in assets, liabilities and equity. These 3 plays major role in your business. Which are those? Your assets, liability as well as equity. Asset means what? Whatever furniture, machinery you have, we call it as asset. Liability means what? The loans, debentures, we call it as liability. Equity means what? Your share capital. All the changes what happens will be clearly shown in your cash flow statement. Last one, they let you predict future cash flow. With the help of cash flow statement, in future, after 1 year, after 6 months, what will be your financial position? How much cash you will be having? The approximate figures it will give you. This is called as, they let you predict future cash flows. So these are the reasons we need cash flow statement. Statement of cash flow. Now, while doing problem, which are the things we have to concentrate? Now, while doing problem, we have to concentrate operating, investing, as well as financing activity. You know what is cash flow statement? Cash flow means what? Cash. Cash means what? Money or money equivalent. Flow means what? Inflow, outflow. Statements means what? It is a document. Now, In this, you have three kinds of cash flows. Which are those three? First thing is operating, second one investing, and the third one is financing activity. I'll go with an example so that easy to understand. Now, operating activity. What do you mean by operating activity? In all three cases, cash inflow and outflow happens. But in that, what is operating? What is investing? What is financing? We will discuss now. Operating means what? Investing means what? And financing means what? We'll go for the first one, operating activity. Any transactions like purchase, sales, expenses, incomes, we call it as operating activity. What do you mean by operating? These are the example in your operations, means direct operation. If you purchase raw materials, it will come under operating. If you sell your finished goods, operating. If you do any expenses, your salary, electricity bill, rent, all comes under operating. Any income you get out of your sales, we call it as operating. Operating means your day-to-day operation, whatever income and expenditure happens, we call it as operating. Now, second one, investing activity. What do you mean by investing activity? Investing means if you invest in purchase of asset or sale of asset. Now, purchase of machinery, purchase of machinery, sale of machinery, these two comes under investing activity. What is investing activity? If you sell or purchase any goods or services, which comes under investing activity. The last part is financing activity. Financing means what? Simple. If you invest in any shares or securities, or if you make any deposits, or if you spend in any mutual funds, all comes under financing activity. Loans, debentures, everything comes under financing activity. So why we need operating, investing, financing? Your total inflow and outflow of cash, which are divided into three. One will be operating, other one will be investing, last one will be financing. How your problems will be? Your problem, 6-mark problem will be only on operating, only on investing, only on financing. All together they will not ask you. They will give you only one question like calculate operating activity, calculate investing activity, calculate financing activity. So how to do? Simple. Now, we'll go for financing activity, or else we'll go with the example of investing activity. Now, they will give you 2 years, 2019 and 2020. In 2019, you had furniture worth rupees 10,000. What was the value of your furniture in 2019? 10,000. Now, in 2020, the value of furniture 15,000. Forget about depreciation. Now, last year what was the value? 10,000. This year what is the value? 15,000. How much increased? In this, 5,000 increased. 5,000 increase means what? You have purchased. Last year you had only 10,000. Now 15,000 means 5,000 worth furniture you have purchased. Now, while for purchasing, you will pay money or you will receive. You have to pay. Pay means what? Outflow. Pay means what? Outflow. This is cash outflow. Means you have spent 5,000 in between 19 and 20. We'll go with the same example. Last year your balance was 10,000. Now how much you have? You have 5,000. Last year 10, this year 5. Means 10,000 worth furniture, now it is 5,000. Why? Because you have sold. Half of the furniture you have sold. If you sell your furniture, you will receive money or you will pay. You will receive. Then it will be called as inflow. This much only you have to do. Easy. Why? Because they will give you 2 years balance sheet. We have to compare. If it is more, they have purchased. If it is less, they have sold. The difference you have to write and you have to sum. You have to total that difference. This much only your cash flow statement. Now normally cash flow statement you have two types, direct method, indirect method. But for your PUC R12, you have only basic concepts of cash flow statement. When you go for BCom, BBA or your post graduation, you have complete problem on cash flow statement. Here you have only basic concept and basic calculation. Easily you can score 6 marks out of this calculations. In today's session, we discussed about what is cash flow statement. What is cash flow? Cash means what? Money or money equivalent. Flow means what? Inflow or outflow of money. Statement means what? It is a document. All put together, we call it as cash flow statement. We discussed about what is cash flow and we understood the meaning of cash flow. Then later, why we need cash flow. For that 3 points we discussed later. There are calculation purpose. We have 3 activities which are those: financing, operating, investing. That also we discussed. In the coming session, we'll discuss about your problems, how to solve problems. So what type of problems you will get. Everything we will discuss in next session. Thank you.